Aloha, welcome back. This is the first day of the second quarter kickoff. My students are still in the middle of a project that we started in first quarter. This project kind of overlaps first and second quarter. We ended first quarter on one of the checkpoints, and now we're going to pick up with that today. Basically what my students are doing right now is they're taking some basic parts. They've got a wooden chassis blank. What they have to do is on 1/8 graph paper, draw out and design to within 1/16 of an inch chassis to support a mousetrap powered vehicle. The final product will look something similar to, and I just took these wheels off of this one. Something similar to something like this, where you've got an axle, a mousetrap, chassis, another axle, some modified wheels, a modified mousetrap with string. The string wraps around the axle, and as the trap is sprung, it spins the axle, propelling the vehicle forward. So this is kind of like a science, technology, and engineering project for woodshop. They still need to utilize the woodshop skills and measurement and basic math skills to take this chassis and design it, cut it out, make notches in it, drill it out, try and make it as light as but yet strong as possible to support the rest of the vehicle. You can see here on this one, it's been thinned out here and in the back. So basically what I do is I give them this block of wood, 4 of these small little wheels, 2 steel axles, and a mousetrap, and they need to create a vehicle that can travel up to or past 24 feet. Later on I'll show you in the video the actual track that I built for it. It's 2 feet wide, 24 feet long. Every 4 feet is a grade. So if they don't get past the first 4 feet, that's the F zone. Then from 4 to 8 feet is the D zone. 8 to 12 feet would be the C zone, and so forth and so on. But to make it a little bit more complicated, a little harder for them to get an A, I increased the B zone from 4 to 8 feet. So if they want an A, they have to go an extra 4 feet into the A zone. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. It's already about 80 degrees in this classroom. As you can see, I'm already sweating profusely. Yeah, so right now the students are in the process of taking their design for their chassis and utilizing the shop to drill it, cut it, sand it, whatever they need to get the chassis ready to actually start designing and building their mousetrap car. If they only use the basic parts that I give them, their car will never make it out of the F zone. And I kind of designed the project this way. We went over a bunch of lessons on some basic scientific principles, some basic intro to physics, I guess, where they have to take what we've learned in class and what will make a better mousetrap car and apply that and hopefully get out of the F zone and into the A zone. It's a pretty cool competition. There's different checkpoints along the way for grading on the project, but hopefully they'll have cars that look somewhat like this and can go from the F zone straight through all the way to the A zone. So we'll give you guys some updates on this as we go, and I'm going to try and figure out how to mount the GoPro camera to the back of one of these and have the car head on down the track with this, so that'd be kind of cool. So anyway, signing off, first day, second quarter. First quarter was a good one. Hope second quarter is just as good. Have a great day. Mahalo.